All right, question 6. We are dividing, which means we are multiplying, right? So I'm going to write it correct this time. We repeat the first one, and then the second one we multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to flip the fraction. That's how you divide fractions. And now we're going to go through and factor each one. So 4y squared is already factored. There's not a plus or minus. So when I rewrite it, that one stays 4y squared. But we can factor y squared minus 20y. And because it's only two terms and they both have a y, you should take it out, right? We don't want any duplicate variables. So I'm going to take out the y, and we're left with 1y minus 20. Okay, so the number stays. Y minus 20 stays. So y minus 20 times. Okay, now we're going to factor this one. Y squared minus 6y plus 8. This one has three terms, which means it's going to have our two factors. It's going to have the y plus or minus something, y plus or minus something. So to find those roots, since that's a 1, we look at factors of 8. 1 times 8, 2 times 4. And we need them to add or subtract to negative 6. So we want them both negative, right? That's how we get a positive 8. So negative 2 minus 4. And those go right into your factors. So y minus 2, y minus 4. One more. Divide by 20y squared minus 40y. Okay, that takes us back to what we did up here. They both have a y. Let's take it out. But now we have numbers. 20 and 40 have a greatest common factor. They both divide by, let me show you a trick. If you struggle with greatest common factor, Desmos does it. GCF, 2040. They both divide by 20. Okay. Isn't Desmos awesome? So if we take out a 20y, we're left with 1. And then y minus 40 divided by 20 is 2. So this becomes 20y, y minus 2. Okay, now we're going to look cross. What can we cross out? Diagonally here, 4 and 20. Both divide by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Then I have 2 y's divided by 1 y. So this one goes away. And then this one, we're just left with y. That's it. All right, now we're going to look at this fraction. What reduces? Well, the y's. That's why we go diagonal first sometimes. Okay, and then this fraction, what is the same? The y minus 2. So let's rewrite what we have left here. Moving that because I want more space. So on my numerator, I have the only thing left is y minus 4. And then on the denominator, the only thing left is y minus 20. So that's our answer. Oh, and a 5. Oh, I almost forgot the 5. We would have had it wrong. But there we go. Y minus 4 divided by 5, y minus 20. Look at all the parentheses. You got to make sure it matches what we wrote down.